Welcome to LinkedAI Platform. Classification in machine learning is a technique that allows assigning categories to data to build predictive models and automate decision-making tasks in various applications. You will find two types of classification: single select classification and multiple select classification. The difference between them is that multiple select allows you to pick multiple values when classifying a label or an image, while single select only allows you to choose one value per class. You can classify the entire image or in specific label. Let's do an example. When configuring your project, create your categories. We are doing this example with bounding box annotation. Then create your classes. Go to Type and select Classification. When creating your classes, go to the Parent option and choose your desired parent category. You will find the two options, single select or multiple select. You can also create classes without a parent. These are global classifications, that is to say a class for the entire image, and not attached to a single label. Now you can start annotating your images. Begin by drawing your labels. For the labels that require classification, choose the drop-down option and select the correct classification. Do this to classify your labels with a single or multiple select classification or to classify your image. We love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments.